so today we are going to make a program that will allow us to guess the number. Yay! All right, so I need a couple of integers. So we need the magic number, and we need my number. Fine. There's no such thing as magic. So mystery. Is there such things as mysteries? Yes. And then my guess. I'm going to start my guess being like negative 99. I know. And then I need a random. What should I call my random today?
Taylor.
Okay.
Ew, no.
Yeah.
Tell us something else.
Call it Gianna.
It's with an O.
Not this one.
Yeah, mine, it's with an O.
But it's not.
You
But
should go back to change it.
No.
Spoiler.
there we go, Taylor. All right. I also. Do you want to do the scanner or J option pane?
J option.
J option pane it is. String input. And output. Okay, so I have all my stuff set up. I'm ready to go. But first, I have to decide what my mystery number is, right? Y'all go with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do mystery number. Let's do from 1 to 100. So how do I do from 1 to 100? That gives me 0 to 100. So 101 is not right because it gives me from 0 to 100. 102 gives me 0 to 101. I want 1 to 100.
1 plus 102 plus 100 plus.
Right, because we're going to go from 0 to 99, and then all those numbers we add 1 to, so we get 1 to 100. Right? Okay. So then, we're going to write it so that it has one time that it runs through. So the first thing we'll do is the J option pane.
My computer turned it off.
Let's do input.
Why did this?
Mr. Grant, my computer just turned off.
Maybe
It's not. It has all this battery. Now it's turning on.
Okay, so we have guess the number, and I need to take that number and turn it into the guess, right? So we're going to say guess equals, and we'll parse it. And parse means take a string and turn it into a number.
Serious question.
Yes, sir.
You always want to be a teacher?
No, sir. Okay, so now, if the guess is too high, we'll tell him what? You guessed too high. And if the guess is too low, we'll tell him you guessed too low. So, if guess is greater than mystery number, J option pane dot show message dialog. Too high. If the guess is less than the mystery number, if guess is equal to mystery number, we say correct.
How come it's two?
How come it's 2 equals? Because 1 equal is a statement. Say this is true. This is equal to this. 2 equals is a question. Is this equal to this? All right, so now you have a working program, so you can run it. I'll say guess a number, and I can say 5, and that's too low, and then I'm done. So, I don't really know if it was too low or not, but what I do know is that I want to loop some of this stuff, right? Now, last time, so let's package it like we did last time. So I want to loop from here to here.
I don't see what that does.
It packages it. It says this is a group of text. This is a group of, yeah, it's like a Christmas present.
But what else? What is the difference?
It makes it a Christmas present.
No offense.
A Christmas present that makes it up.
So Arthur asked why we're grouping these together, and what we're going to do is we're going to say we're going to do a loop, and the loop will include all this code. So all of this code we will do over and over and over again until we need to get out. Now with the for loop, the for loop was for a specified number of times. Like you can do a for loop like I is less than 4, and it'll do it 4 times, right? But do we know how many guesses they'll have to take?
No.
We don't know how many guesses. But as soon as their guess is correct, we want to stop, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say while. We're going to have you play the game while the guess is not equal to the mystery number.
How come is that wild?
Because while turned blue because it is a keyword. You can't make a variable name out of it. You can't make a variable name out of if or int or double. And now when you run it, guess the number. 50. Too high. 25. Too low. 35. Correct. Right? So now it works.
Okay.
What is it?